Hello, folks, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Just wanted to respond to an article. This is the easiest way to get stuff loaded up on YouTube. I get better response. I get way more viewers. Yay, 100. Anyways, I just wanted to put out there a response on this video here on best ways to trade with MT4. All right, I wish I could flip it around here, but I'm not gonna. Okay, so this is, I'll put it on my website. First question, there's these points about how it's secure and all that. I think the software's okay. The problem is it's tied back to crappy brokers. So number one, trade with expert advisors. Sounds like you're trading with real people. You're dealing with indicators that you buy, and I don't know. I just don't like that concept. A lot of them are questionable, but people use them, and there are some probably that work. A lot of people spend a lot of money trying to figure out which ones work. This one, number two, trade via technical analysis tools. Any real wealth building investor, not trader, investor. Day traders is something different, but trade via technical analysis. Now I'm moving out of technical. It's technical analysis is great for confirmation on things, but what I'm doing is technical analysis is really meant for timing and confirming trades. So I'm moving over to fundamental analysis if I move into equity, namely stock and ETF, which I do. And I will tell you right now, technical analysis is only good for timing and confirming theories. You need to more work on the smart money concepts of fundamental analysis. That's all I'll say. I got lots of webinars on it on my bootcamp series. I've done 2 big webinars on it. I'm not going to waste my time here. But if you want to be smart money, do fundamental analysis. Quantitative can work. That's secondary. Machine learning is secondary as well. And really the technical analysis is, you can't forecast with technical analysis at all. And we'll leave it at that. Now, number 3, trade from various devices. Now, you can get that with any platform. As you know, I'm just rolling out my masterclass in MotoWave. They've got a killer color. Anyways, the masterclass has over 21 hours of video on MotoWave, the tips and tricks on it. But there's a new video on MotoWave, the YouTube channel, previewing their mobile app. This thing's a game changer compared to other platforms, and it's highly rated. Let me see, I missed one. Number 1, trade with expert advisors. 2, trade with technical analysis tools. Trade from various devices. One other thing about the brokers. I'm now with Interactive Brokers. I've been with them for 9 months or so, and their support's not great, but Owenda's the worst. Okay, I've been with Owenda for a couple of years. I just got locked out of my account. Okay, that happened on Friday. I'm not able to get emails sent back to my email link to the Owenda account. And I've emailed twice since Friday to Owenda. They've not responded at all. Owenda is a more reliable account. I don't have a lot of money in Owenda, thank God. But still, it's really garbage support. So if you're with Owenda or any of these other really shoddy brokers that revolve around forex and tie back to MT4 or any MetaTrader, you got to really watch it. Even though they are regulated here in Ontario, can't, because they started in Toronto, local to me. Actually, I knew the engineer that started it. It was a German guy back in the early 90s. So I kind of go way back with them because they were one of the first major forex brokers of their kind. Back then. Anyways, things have changed with Owenda. And Interactive Brokers, not the best, but they respond. So be forewarned about this when it comes to these forex brokers. MT4, as well as the software is very limited. really limited with MetaTrader. I mean, it's okay. It's pretty good software actually. One problem I have with it, it's a proprietary language, and I don't know. I'll just leave it at that. And you want to kind of move along motive wave types where it's Java, and if you're a developer, developing in Java is a pretty good career, no matter what you hear. You can't do that with the MT4, whatever the language is called. I can't remember and I don't care. But we'll leave it at that. So just be forewarned on the forex world later.